Hello everybody. For this episode of Breaking the Code, I'm going to read a poem to you from page 122 of the text. It's called Letter to My Older Sister. There's a series of questions in here that she asks of her sister who passed away, and I think realizing what the questions are and what they might mean to her can be something you can explore in an essay. Now again, the topic is totally up to you. The themes of the poems that you choose, it's your choice, just as the prompt says. This is a little different because she does write several family members letters, and I wanted to share this one with you and think about the questions she asks. So here we go. Letter to my older sister. She died before christening and therefore had no name, but I will gladly lend her one of mine. Dear Georgiana, Mama followed the stars in those days. Do you suppose she blames me for your death? And two, Papa's mother died on my horizon. Have your lives been absorbed into mine? And have I lived you well? Is that what she holds against me, your eternal breathlessness? Would she have loved me more if you had lived? If not more, then at least without fear? Papa accepted me as his, although too much his in my stubbornness. If your death hurt him, it must have been the lesser hurt. As I've observed of men, an adage seems true. Had you lived, perhaps you would have done better in fulfilling your duties to mother. You would have taken care of her affairs better. You would have married within the race. You would have made her proud without reservations. You have had her breasts and good hair. Forgive the brevity of this letter, but I am demanded elsewhere. I'll write again later, hoping we'll have more to share. Please think my questions over carefully before you answer. And if you can't be kind, please be fair. Yours. So, think about the question she asks of her sister, obviously no longer with her, but think about what the questions might mean for the poet, the author, the person, that is Wanda Coleman. How would she herself answer them? What do the questions tell us about her concept of herself, of her role within the family, of what she's done in her life and what she's accomplished? Those questions can lead to answers that you can certainly write about. So this is just one idea. If you want to look at 4 or 5 different family letters in there, it's completely up to you, but there's so much to choose from that I just look forward to reading your essays in a little while. As always, if you have any questions, just throw them my way. Talk soon.